In a bizarre turn of events, a group of penguins broke into a sushi restaurant in Tokyo and made themselves at home. It's unclear why the flightless birds chose the restaurant as their new hangout spot, but it's clear that they were having a good time. The incident took place last night at the Minato Mirai shopping mall in Yokohama. The penguins were spotted waddling around the mall before making their way into the restaurant. The owner of the restaurant, Mr. Tanaka, was shocked to find the penguins inside when he arrived to open up for the day. "I couldn't believe my eyes," he said. "There were 5 penguins just walking around like they owned the place." Mr. Tanaka immediately called animal control, but by the time they arrived, the penguins had already settled in. They were sitting at a table in the middle of the restaurant, surrounded by empty plates and chopsticks. One of the penguins even had a piece of sushi in its beak. Animal control officers tried to coax the penguins out of the restaurant with fish, but the birds refused to budge. It wasn't until a team from the local aquarium arrived that the penguins were finally persuaded to leave. So why did the penguins choose a sushi restaurant as their new hangout spot? Experts say it may have something to do with the fact that penguins are highly social animals and enjoy being around others. Perhaps these penguins were feeling lonely and saw the restaurant as a place where they could be around people, said Dr. Nakamura, a penguin expert at the Tokyo Aquarium. Whatever the reason, the incident has certainly captured the attention of people all around the world. Photos and videos of the penguins inside the restaurant have gone viral on social media, with many people expressing their delight at the situation. Some have even suggested that the penguins should be given a permanent spot at the restaurant, with one person commenting, "I would definitely eat sushi with penguins." While it may seem like a silly and light-hearted story, there are some important lessons to be learned from the incident. For one thing, it's a reminder that animals can surprise us in unexpected ways. It's also a testament to the importance of social connection and finding ways to bring people, and penguins, together. In the end, the penguins were returned safely to their home at the nearby aquarium. But for a brief moment, they brought a sense of joy and wonder to the patrons of the sushi restaurant and to people all around the world who followed their unlikely adventure.